So what's the deal with those weird $20 pre-built Shopify stores? Why have they started showing up everywhere? I decided that I'm gonna finally buy a pre-built dropshipping store so that you don't have to. Every single day you see these ads for pre-built Shopify stores. The pitch is always the same, but it's never the same guy selling it. They claim that for just $20 they'll give you a store that's instantly ready to make money. So, as someone who earns their income through e-commerce, I've been pretty skeptical. The whole thing always seemed a bit too perfect, you know? So what I'm gonna do today is actually buy one of these pre-built stores and see if it's actually possible to make some money. Are these pre-built Shopify stores really worth your money? Let's find out. I'm sure you guys have seen this ad before, either by this guy or some other guy saying the exact same thing, basically trying to sell you on his $20 pre-built Shopify store by saying that you should stop buying $10,000 courses and programs. As if anyone was doing that in the first place. And then he proceeds to talk about how his team will build you a custom store within 24 hours that's loaded with 30 winning products. But anyways, let's go ahead and click on their profile, and their website link should be somewhere here. And yep, there it is right there. So this link will take us here, which is the checkout page, and it says order now and you'll receive the following, which is the branded website design, the 30 profitable products, a premium theme design, and a whole lot of other stuff to make it look like you're getting more than what you're paying for. Now get this, he claims that the value of all these things that I'm getting is almost $13,000. And I'm getting all of it for just $20, so I must be a pretty lucky guy. How can I pass up this opportunity? Let's go ahead and purchase this pre-built Shopify store by clicking complete order, and boom, just like that, it's done. Now our e-commerce store is in the works, and his experts will email me within the next 24 hours with the login details to my brand new e-commerce store. All right, we're off. I've purchased the store, so I'll let you guys know once everything's received and set up. Then we can get into it and take a look at what I got. Okay, so I just got the notification that my pre-built Shopify store is completed and ready to make some money. I've got my laptop ready to roll and we're about to go in. And I've got to mention, this store was set up super fast, so props to them for that, which was in less than 12 hours. I'm really excited to see what's inside. And to make this challenge as real as it gets, I figured we should focus on just one product from the store and try to push it with TikTok organic. Considering that this is the same setup and product that supposedly pulled in over 100 grand a month, there's gotta be something to it, right? Okay, the store's ready and my emails come through, so let's jump onto my computer and take a look. Here's the email I got from ecom websites, and they've sent me the store address so that I can take a look at it, as well as the login email and password for Shopify, but I'm obviously gonna change this before posting the YouTube video for obvious reasons. So let's click over to the Shopify dashboard, and I've already set up the account and logged in with the details they provided. I'm going into this completely blind and I have no idea what to expect. We're just taking whatever they've built for me. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's check out what we've got. So from the get-go, it looks like they did fulfill their promise and added about 30 products here, but let's just skip all of this stuff like the analytics and just go straight to the online store. And let's quickly click on customize, but I don't think this fully shows the website, so let's click on the view button, and yep, here it is right here, the $20 pre-built Shopify store. It doesn't actually look that bad. It's a store in the pets niche, which I know is a good niche to start off with. However, I do think they can do some better work with the fonts and the background here, because it just looks really plain. But let's keep an open mind and scroll down some more. And okay, it doesn't actually look too bad here, and we're also seeing all the products they added here with all of their AliExpress pictures. I honestly just really hope they would have used better high quality pictures, but to be honest, you can change all of this stuff yourself, and this doesn't look too bad for a beginner starting off with dropshipping. So we've got a bunch of products that are already uploaded, but they're kind of just very basic products that you can probably find at Walmart. But in terms of going in as a complete beginner to dropshipping, it's really not a bad starting point. So let's keep scrolling down past the products and the store's mission. And this picture actually looks quite good. It's very high quality and has some color and some elements to it, so I'd probably move this one further up in the store if I was the one making it. But let's keep going, and here we have a featured collection with more AliExpress pictures, and below that we have some imported reviews, but wow, these actually look really fake. Like, these are obviously pictures from Google. And below that we also have what looks like a blog post for the website or something, which I think is just totally unnecessary, but I guess some might consider it a nice touch to the store. And finally, for the homepage, we have the footer here, which also doesn't look all that bad because we have the refund policy, terms of service, privacy policy, and also a track your order page and a contact us page. But let's quickly check out the products page, and yeah, all of these look like very basic products that can probably be found in any pet store. Like, nothing is really standing out to me right now, but I guess we'll have to make something work later in the video. And now let's also check out the track your order page, which is literally just that, I guess. And let's move on to the contact us page. Maybe that will look better. And yeah, this is actually just the basic Shopify contact us page, so nothing special here either. Now, what about the policies we looked at earlier? Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the refund policy, and it also looks like a direct copy paste from Shopify. And the same is also the case with the terms of service page, because I've seen these exact templates before, since you can take them directly from Shopify. And the privacy policy is also the exact same, so nothing special here either. It honestly just looks like a basic Shopify store that they added random AliExpress products in, and I'm really not trying to hate on it, but I'm just being honest. To be straight with you, none of the products are really grabbing my attention at first glance. Still, I'm gonna take a quick look through and see if there's at least one item that seems promising enough to try and make some money with this store. After going through every product listed, I've gotta say I'm not seeing much potential. Honestly, if you were to buy a store like this, you could always add your own products and utilize the design template that they've handed over. But I feel like the whole point of buying a pre-built store, especially for someone that's a complete beginner and totally new to Shopify, is that it should be plug and play. It should be set to start running ads and pulling in profits, because that's what they advertise. So out of all the products, the cat scratching ball caught my eye the most. I feel like this product is pretty straightforward to market. It's already got a track record of selling online, and the product page they've put together isn't too bad. So to keep this challenge as genuine as possible, I'm not going to change the product page at all. Even though I'm tempted to switch up the images, add some reviews, and make some adjustments, I want to test this store exactly as it is to see if we can actually make up some sales from the pre-built Shopify store directly. To get this product out there, I need to get a video for TikTok. Tonight, I'm going to put together a killer video, and then we're going to launch this product together live. We'll check out the results afterward and see if we manage to make any money with this store. Alright, I just finished putting together this video ad, and it actually turned out pretty solid. It only took me about 30 minutes, so don't expect any Hollywood budget videos here. Let's take a look at the ad.
My cat doesn't stop playing with her toy. My God, she's so cute. Get your cat one now.
So that was the video ad, and I mentioned that it's used by cats to build some credibility for the product. I highlight the features and benefits of this specific version of the product, and then I wrap it up with a call to action. There's many you can go with, but I personally chose to go with get your cat one now. This exact format has helped me generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales throughout my e-commerce journey. So if you're thinking about advertising a product, this is the approach I'd recommend. Now I'm gonna post the video on TikTok Organic to test this out. I'll check back in once everything's up and running. So it's been a full day after I posted the video on TikTok, and it's time to talk about what went down. I spent around $0 because it's TikTok Organic, and well, made exactly $0 back. Yup, no sales from the pre-built store. So let's break down what might have went wrong. Checking out the video's analytics, it actually looks like it did pretty well. It had gotten a good amount of views and a high click-through rate, which is pretty solid for a product test. So it's clear people were interested. We had about 72 visitors to the website, but only 2 of them bothered to add anything to the cart. This tells me people were into the product, but something about the website turned them off. The video did its job, but the website didn't seal the deal, which was my biggest worry from the start. And that pretty much ends this experiment. So let's circle back to our starting question. Are pre-built stores worth it? My take, not really. I'd suggest picking up the skills to create and design your own website. It's not just about having a unique website, it's about unlocking a whole new opportunity that's still related to e-commerce. Think of it like this. Buying a fitness plan promising quick results is one thing, but real gains come from consistent work. The same goes for Shopify. And hey, if you're serious about smashing it in e-commerce, you've got to take a look at the inner circle. I built this platform from the ground up because I get it. It's hard going through the online world trying to make a mark. For a cool $25, you unlock the door to this exclusive club. Inside, you'll find over 12 courses that I've personally put together, covering all you need to get into the online money-making scene. One highlight is the e-commerce dropshipping course. It's crammed with insights and steps to take your store to the next level. But we're not just talking cash flow here. There's a whole section on fitness and diet too, because staying sharp physically is as crucial as your financial health. Think of this platform as your all-in-one toolkit for boosting both your wellness and your wealth. So don't miss out. Check out the link in the description to join the inner circle. And if you like this video, then don't stop now. There's another one ready to watch right on your screen, so keep the momentum going.